Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am actually testing out two Ecotool products. I'm testing out their beauty blender. This has 50% better application, total perfecting blender versus the Ecotools Wonder Cover Complexion. This is best for liquid and cream foundations. These looked very intriguing, and the fact that they have upped their game in their products, I had to try them out. So I will be trying this on half my face and the brush on the other half my face and see, does it make a difference? Is one better than the other? Are they worth your money? I don't know. Let's just go ahead and jump to that video, and you guys let me know in the comment section whether you like these or not. So let's go ahead and just jump right over. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and open up these products and see what they feel like. So I do love the shape of this blender. Look at it. So it's very, very unique. It's longer on this side, which I like that because you'll be able to like bake or push things down like this. You can bounce this side if you prefer, or you have a smaller side if you just want to get directly under the eye area to push in some powder. I like that. It's actually a flat tip on top, so you can get in the corners right here. So I'm gonna wet this in a second, and let's go ahead and open up the brush and see what this is all about. Bristles are very, very soft, but very, very packed in there, very, very dense. Does it shed? No, it does not look like it. I'm just kind of grabbing them and pulling them a little bit. Nope. So I'm gonna do this side of my face with the brush, and then I'm gonna do this side of my face with the blender. And let's see if they're equally as good. I'm gonna go ahead and go wet this, and let's see how big this actually becomes. This is how big it got. You guys can see it got much, much bigger. It is nice and bouncy. I use about a pump for each side of my face. So there's one full pump. Now how I do it is I just take a little bit and then I go up and up until more product. So let's go ahead and try it with this brush. I do like the shape of the brush. You guys can see that it will get like right there on the side of your nose. Okay, that's one full pump, and I feel like I still haven't covered somewhat of my face. Maybe I should had, okay, that's half a pump more. Maybe I should have spritzed the brush down a little bit because maybe it's absorbing some of the product onto the dry bristles. Let's just go ahead and put some more on. Looks really, really, really good. And I do love how this brush works very much. I love the shape of it. I love the feel of it. So let's go ahead and try the beauty blender on the other side. We're gonna do one full pump like I normally do. That's a full pump. And see. Now that's lovely. I normally have to squish with a typical beauty blender to go into that corner, but look, that just goes down flat, pushing the product right into that corner of the nose. Okay, now I'm actually gonna do half a pump more on this side just to compare a pump and a half to a pump and a half and tell you guys what I think. So I'm gonna do half a pump. There we go, that's half a pump. I am blown away with this beauty blender and this brush by Ecotools. It looks amazing. It really looks, my makeup looks amazing. The brush has no strokes on this side, and the beauty blender just flat and flawless. If I had to pick a winner, I would honestly say this is a tie, but if I had to pick one to work with, I always prefer the beauty blender. And considering this has the versatility of the edges, and especially this flat that I can really get in there, is amazing. And it goes right under the eye. Look at this. If I wanted to just do my makeup all throughout like this, I could as well. I mean, you could even just get super, super close up with some concealer. Look at that. I love, love, love. Like, my makeup looks flawless. But you know what, as I'm looking at my makeup on both sides, it's almost like at least on my forehead, can you tell right here, like with the brush, it seems like I have more glisten, more shine. And of course the beauty blender is like a sponge. It just kind of pushes everything down. But look, so this shine that you get from the brush, let's go ahead and punch on top of it with the beauty blender, and I want to show you. So the beauty blender kind of, there you go, not as much. It kind of just like pushes it down to be a little bit more matte. But honestly, these are two of my new favorite products to actually for putting on foundation. I think that they are well worth your money. This is a great quality brush that does not break your bank, because nobody wants to go and spend $50, $30 to $50 on a brush when you can spend, I think this was like 12 bucks. If it was that, it might be even cheaper. I don't know. I will post a link if I can find these guys. I can't always find these products that you guys asked me to post links for, but if I cannot find the products and you don't see them in the description box below, you can find them at your local Walgreens. That's where I got these two. I would honestly think that Walmart or Target even carries them, but definitely Walgreens. Always wait for the sale. Look on the app. They always give you like so many points if you buy these type of products, or they have coupons. Like love, totally in love with these two products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this demonstration of half a brush and half a beauty blender really help you guys out trying to figure out which is best for you. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.